Article 217 of the Indian Constitution outlines the provisions related to the appointment and conditions of service for judges of high courts. Here's a detailed explanation of each subsection. Subsection 1. Appointment process. Appointment authority. Every judge of a high court is appointed by the President of India. Consultation. This appointment is made after consulting the National Judicial Appointments Commission, as referred to in Article 124A, the governor of the respective state, and in case of appointing a judge other than the Chief Justice of the High Court. Tenure. Judges hold office until they reach the age of 62 years, except in cases of additional or acting judges as specified in Article 224. Provisos, conditions and exceptions. Resignation. A judge can resign by writing to the President. Removal. A judge can be removed by the President following the procedure laid down for Supreme Court judges in Article 124(4). Vacancy. The office is vacated if the judge is appointed to the Supreme Court or transferred to another high court. Subsection 2. Qualifications for appointment. Citizenship. The individual must be a citizen of India. Experience. The individual must have held a judicial office in India for at least 10 years, or been an advocate of a high court, or multiple high courts in succession, for at least 10 years. Explanation clauses. Period computation for judicial office. Any period during which a person has been an advocate or held a legal position requiring special knowledge of law counts towards the tenure requirement. Period computation for advocates. Any period during which a person held a judicial office or legal position while being an advocate counts towards the tenure requirement. Pre-independence service. Any period of judicial office or advocacy before the commencement of the Constitution in areas that were part of India before 15 August 1947 also counts towards the tenure requirement. Subsection 3. Age dispute resolution. Deciding authority. If there is any dispute regarding the age of a High Court judge, it is resolved by the President of India after consulting the Chief Justice of India. Final decision. The President's decision on the age dispute is final. This structure ensures a systematic and thorough process for the appointment and conditions of service for High Court judges, aiming to maintain the judiciary's independence and integrity. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 5. The High Courts in the States. Article 217. Appointment and conditions of the office of a judge of a High Court. 1. Every judge of a High Court shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal, on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointments Commission referred to in Article 124A, and the governor of the state, and, in the case of appointment of a judge other than the Chief Justice of the High Court shall hold office, in the case of an additional or acting judge, as provided in Article 224, and in any other case, until he attains the age of 62 years. Provided that a judge may, by writing under his hand addressed to the President, resign his office. b. A judge may be removed from his office by the President in the manner provided in Clause 4 of Article 124 for the removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. c. The office of a judge shall be vacated by his being appointed by the President to be a judge of the Supreme Court or by his being transferred by the President to any other high court within the territory of India. 2. A person shall not be qualified for appointment as a judge of a high court unless he is a citizen of India and a. has for at least 10 years held a judicial office in the territory of India, or b. has for at least 10 years been an advocate of a high court or of two or more such courts in succession. Explanation. For the purposes of this clause, a. In computing the period during which a person has held judicial office in the territory of India, there shall be included any period after he has held any judicial office during which the person has been an advocate of a high court or has held the office of a member of a tribunal or any post under the union or a state requiring special knowledge of law. A. In computing the period during which a person has been an advocate of a high court, there shall be included any period during which the person has held judicial office or the office of a member of a tribunal or any post under the union or a state requiring special knowledge of law after he became an advocate. B. In computing the period during which a person has held judicial office in the territory of India or been an advocate of a high court, there shall be included any period before the commencement of this constitution during which he has held judicial office in any area which was comprised before the 15th day of August, 1947, within India as defined by the Government of India Act, 1935, or has been an advocate of any high court in any such area, as the case may be. 3. If any question arises as to the age of a judge of a high court, the question shall be decided by the President after consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the decision of the President shall be final.